Uh-oh. Help it. Go help the train. Go press the orange button. This is a cool toy. Go ahead, little tykes. They did not disappoint. Whoa. This train is pretty cool. My kid is happy to see this thing. I'm telling you, it's a smile on his face. Let's see if we can help the train out. We got a lot of other toys that we are playing with as well. Oh, there it goes. The train is on a rampage. Well, that is our enjoyment of the little Tykes Tumble train. It is, it is adorable. Absolutely adorable. Do you like the Tumble train, Zion? Yeah? Daddy got a good gift? Oh. All right. Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Daddy.
Oh, very good.